Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. In this video, we will complete our exercise 2.1, the last two questions of exercise 2.1, which is question number 9, question number 10. So, in question number 9, they are saying work out the values of each expression. In part A, the expression is 4 into x squared minus 1 plus x cubed over 4 plus 12 when x is equal to 2. We have to substitute this 2 in this expression and find the value of the expression. So here is the solution of this expression. By putting the values, x is equal to 2 minus 1 plus x cube will be 2 cube and divided by 4 plus 12. So 4 into 2 square 4 minus 1 plus 2 cube will be 8 divided by 4 plus 12. 4 is as it is, 4 minus 1 is 3 plus 8 divided by 4 will be 2, then plus 12 as it is. 4 into 3, 12, 12 plus 2 and then plus 12, it will be 26. So the answer of expression A is 26. Continue with B when y is equal to 3. 3y minus 5 over 2 plus 2y cube minus 21 over y. By putting the value of y, 3 into 3 minus 5 over 2 plus 2 into 3 cube minus 21 over 3. 3 into 3, 9. 9 minus 5 divided by 2 plus 2 as it is. 3 cube is 27. 27 minus 7. 9 minus 5 is 4 divided by 2 plus 2 into 27 is 54. Then minus 7 as it is. 4 over 2 is 2 plus 54 as it is minus 7. By solving this expression, first we will solve the plus side. That will be 54 plus 2 is 56 and then minus 7 will be 49. So question number 9 is done. Now we'll move to question number 10. In question number 10, they are saying that you have to show that 5a squared minus 9b minus a plus 2 over b power 5 plus 7ab is equal to minus 5a over b minus 6a cube minus ab whole power 4 plus 9 over b2 minus a power 3. When a is minus 2 and b is minus 1, we have to substitute the value of a and b in on the both side. This is left hand side and this is right hand side, and we have to prove that the answer of left hand side is equal to answer of right hand side. So I'll solve one by one and I have the solution of this expression. So when a is equal to minus 2 and b is equal to minus 1, by solving left hand side first, this side first, I'm solving this side first and then I'll solve the right hand side. So by solving left hand side, 5 a power 2 minus 2, then minus 9, b is minus 1, then minus and a minus 2, this is minus and this is a separate minus, minus minus, okay. Then plus 2 over b's value minus 1 power 5 plus 7, then a is minus 2 and b is minus 1. So 5 as it is, negative 2 square will be positive 4, minus 9 as it is, minus as my 1 as it is, minus minus plus 2, then plus 2 over minus 5, 1 raised to power 5 will be minus 1, plus 7 minus 2 into minus 1 will be positive 2. Then 5 into 4 will be 20, minus 9 as it is, minus 1 plus 2 will be positive 1 because of this 2. 2 is bigger than minus 1, that's why the sign of 1 is positive 1. Then this minus will make it minus 2. 7 into 2 will be positive 14. 20 as it is, minus in 9 into 1 is minus 9, minus 2 as it is, plus 14. By solving this expression, first we will solve minus 2 plus 14, that will make positive 12. Then this positive 12 is solved is minus 9, it will be positive 3, and then 2 plus 20 plus 3 will be 23. This is our left hand side. Now we'll see that that answer from right hand side is also 23 or not. So on our right hand side, minus 5 into minus 2 divided by minus 1, then we will move to minus 6 into minus 2 cube, then minus 2 multiplied by minus 1 power 4 plus 9 over minus 1 square minus into minus 2 cube. Minus 5 into minus 2 will be positive 10, minus 1 as it is, minus 6, minus 2 cube will be minus 8, minus as it is, minus 2 into minus 1 will be positive 2, power will come as it is, plus 9 is the denominator, minus 1 square will be positive 1, minus 2 will be minus 8, but this minus and multiplied with this one will make it positive 1. So there is minus and a minus 8 by multiplying this minus with minus, that's why this sign is positive. Minus minus positive 8, 1 plus 8. Then because of this minus, this is minus, minus 10, minus 6 into minus 8 is 48, minus as it is 2 power 4 is 16, plus 9 over 1 plus 9, 1 plus 8 is 9. So minus 10 plus 48 minus 16 is 22, 9 divided by 9 is 1, and 22 plus 1 is 23. So our left hand side is equal to our right hand side. So hence it is proved that this side is equal to this side. So here we are done with exercise 2.1. We'll start our new exercise in our new video. Thank you.